It was Krishna one fine morning at the Mahabharat war, which was the epic war in the Mahabharat times, which was the decisive war between Kauravas and Pandavas, about which Srimad Bhagavad Gita has been written. And so Karna was the third lieutenant from the Kaurava side, who was Kunti's son, Pandava's mother's son, and he asked Krishna, what wrong did he do? He was on the path of dharma, path of the religion. That is what a Hindu religion is famous for. So it teaches that we should all be acting according to our own religion. So he was complaining a lot, like he has been given recognition by Duryodhan, the Kaurava king, and who was on the wrong side of the war, right? So he asked Krishna, what was wrong? What wrong did he do? He was citing about his insults, his birth, because he was born to a um, unwed mother. So the mother had to disown him, and he was brought up by um, somebody of a lower caliber in the uh, royal darbar of the Kauravas, right? So he was kind of frustrated all his life. He remained frustrated and aggrieved and complaining about all these things. So Krishna to that is saying to him that Karna, it is easy to complain, but you know what has been my life. Can you see? You are married to a girl of your choice. I didn't get the girl I loved and rather ended up marrying those who wanted me or the ones I rescued from the demons. What did he mean? He loved Radha, right? But she was not allowed to marry Radha. But Karna, on the other hand, he didn't have any restriction who he would marry. So Krishna was explaining to him, I had to move my whole community from the banks of Yamuna to far off seashore. It was Dwarka, which is at the bank of the Arabian Sea, to where he had to move all his community to save them from Jarasandha. Jarasandha was the king who was actually Kansa's father-in-law, and Kansa was supposed to be Krishna's uncle, but he was against Krishna because somebody told that Krishna would kill him. Ultimately, Krishna did kill him, but again, the sense of revenge that prevails in the minds of people who understand half the story. So he was after Krishna to kill him, and that is why Krishna had to move to Dwarka along with his entire community so that he can save them from the uh, sudden attacks of Jarasandha. And he says, Krishna says, and I was called coward for running away. If Duryodhana wins the war, Duryodhana, the king at the wrong side, wins the war, you will get a lot of credit. What do I get if Dharmaraj, that is Yudhishthir, wins the war? Only the blame for the war and all related problems. That is what he got. Remember one thing, Karna. Everybody has challenges in life and life to face. Life is not fair and easy on anybody. But what is right, dharma, is known to your mind, conscience. No matter how much unfairness we got, how many times we were disgraced, how many times we fall. What is important is how you reacted at that time. Life's unfairness does not give you the license to walk the wrong path. Always remember, life may be tough at few points, but it is we who need to take the steps. So it is destiny is not created by the shoes we wear, but by the steps we take. That is how he explained Karna that he has been wrong all his life, taking wrong decisions. Are we doing the same thing? Because behind something bad happened to us, are we behaving wrong? Let us take this question on ourselves and ask ourselves if we are doing the right thing. No matter how much complaint that we have, we still need to take the right decision. The next right step should always be proper, right, and according to your conscience. That is what integrity is. Thank you. And if you like my video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel that I have, or also you can register to my webinar on the link given in that description box. Thank you. See you.